Yo, what's going up, YouTube? We're back here with another video. We're gonna go to put some gas on the Focus RS and go buy E85 for both cars, because they're both on E, and our cans are empty too. So as you can see, we got a size right there, the RS right here. Look at the cans in the back. Put some shell on this thing, and the 85, and we're good.
Gotta put some air on the tires.
This guy doesn't even put a signal. Look, he just gets in. Idiot, dude. Of course, a student drive. Come on. Get in right here.
But he lives right there.
It's not that packed, the parkway, look.
Yeah.
It's running pretty good.
Better.
Yeah. Traffic.
Yeah.
Oh, damn.
You gotta go that way, right?
Yeah. There's a bunch of cars coming, going like fucking, like 50 or 60 miles per hour. Let's fucking take off. It just records like more, like, for me a little bit during the day, better, a little bit better. The school was getting 85 too. Here we at the gas station. What is that? 440?
Is he getting E too?
Nah, I mean, I don't know.
What the fuck is revving, bro?
He's revving his shit.
Him or the CTSV?
Nah, that's a BMW.
Why is he revving? I think he got E.
Oh, there's a CT as well.
CTSV, I think.
I don't know what is ATSV, CTSV.
Oh, AT, yeah, I don't know.
Here we are at the gas station, guys. 285. Oh, cash. guys, so we filled up already. Is that a Type S? T-Lex Type S. Filled up 3 gallons, or three cans, I mean. It was like 32 bucks. Yeah, guys, so we got a steering wheel coming for the RS that my brother bought for his car. He actually got it already. It's a custom carbon fiber steering wheel. I'll probably put up the screen right here. And
they're pretty big on Instagram, so you guys want to check them out.
Yeah,
They did a very good job with the steering wheel. I like how it came out.
Yeah, it has carbon fiber, and he actually made it kept the heated steering wheel.
Yeah.
This whole lane, and then since you gotta go like to the right, the car in that lane usually doesn't move to the right. He stays in his lane. And yeah, you gotta be careful. Like that. Look at this guy. A little Range Rover. He was right on my ass, bro. I didn't even see that. He was about to hit me down. Like, what the fuck? Also, guys, I might order a Insta360. Not sure if it's gonna be the X3 or the X4. And you know, with the mount they have in the back, so it could look like a GTA type POV. I think it looks better with the Insta360. Oh, that was actually evil. Yeah, so stay tuned for that, because the videos might be getting better for the racing and everything.
Better footage.
Better footage. I'm gonna still have the cameras on the head, but just so you could get 2 different point of views. It's gonna look better. I know it's gonna look better. Alright guys, so we're gonna pull up to the shell right now. As you guys can see, it got dark already. We have to go do something real quick. We're at the shell right now. I'm gonna put some E85, not E85 on. Well, yeah, E85, some 93 and then E85. Right here. 30. You using card, right?
Paying cash. With that, she didn't tell me nothing.
Yeah, guys, so we're gonna fill up some E. I'm gonna put it up right here.
And put some air on the tires.
Word, you gotta put some air.
You gotta buy the machine. Both our machines broke.
Both of them, the insulators that come from factory broke. Yeah. Alright, so we're gonna put 3.5 gallons. That's what the calculator says. This thing be taking forever though. Alright guys, so we're done putting 85. Now we're gonna check on some air. Wait, I only put $1.
That's it?
It said thank you. I'm gonna just keep putting, right?
Yeah, that's
I think this one is a flat one. Not flat, but it's low on there. tires are good. Alright guys, so we filled up some air on the tires. Now we're gonna leave.
Something's wrong with the car, bro. Did you hear that shit bitching?
That was idling crazy.
I can't tell. Dang. And now we already got the check engine, but that's because
Check engine is
the catalytic converter code.
yeah.
P0420. If you guys own Focus RS, you guys probably know about that. This car, once you, even with the stock downpipe, stock catalytic converter, it
Just randomly pop up.
just I don't know. They're very delicate. This car with that piece of equipment.
And then the only way to fix it is, what is it?
You gotta add a J pipe.
Yeah.
The guys at Speed Performance told me. They told me I got a J pipe to be able to
Delete the code.
yeah, for that code to be gone. I'll probably do that, I don't know, after I upgrade the turbo.
Alright guys, so that's gonna be for the video. We just wanna go for a drive, filling up gas and everything, and talk a little bit. So yeah, stay tuned for more racing.